you have pre-diabetes, it's good idea to keep your sugar under control by eating healthy, by exercising. But at the same time, that diagnosis also gives you an opportunity to decrease the risk of suffering from a heart attack, which is the ultimate cause of death in most diabetics. So instead of feeling bad about diagnosis of pre-diabetes, or instead of feeling comfortable that good, I didn't have diabetes diagnosed, think it as a gift to you. A gift like a ball which is showing the future for you and what you can do about it. Like a crystal ball which is showing you the possible futures and then giving you the ability to manage that future. So if you have prediabetes, decrease your cardiac risk profile that you don't suffer a heart attack. Simultaneously, automatically, you will also decrease your chances of getting diabetes, because proper nutrition, exercise, healthy lifestyle will automatically keep your sugar under control. Presence of diabetes causes a premature heart attack and premature death. That means if the same person did not have diabetes, he would have, say, suffered a heart attack at the age of 60. But because of diabetes, this person may suffer the heart attack at 55, 56, 54. Especially if the diabetes control is bad, this heart attack will come much earlier and cause death much earlier compared to someone whose diabetes is well controlled. A well controlled diabetic lives a normal duration of life as if that person was non-diabetic. By that I mean, even if you have diabetes but your sugar controls are good and you are taking care of all the other issues like high blood pressure, cholesterol, smoking, and we will talk about all those issues in detail. So you will live as long and as healthy a life as if you did not have diabetes. So diabetes causes premature heart attacks, premature death, and control of diabetes and other risk factors for heart attack, which goes along with controlling diabetes, can make you live a normal quality and quantity of life. A diagnosis of prediabetes is like a gift in a way. Someone has said very famously that give me a chronic disease that can be managed easily. The reason is, if somebody has a chronic illness which can be easily managed, he or she doesn't suffer from it because it can be easily managed, but it gives an opportunity to that person to reflect on priorities in his or her life. And there is no better example than prediabetes as that gift, because you don't have to take any medicine, but you can change the future just by changing your practices. Another opportunity that prediabetes provides is alerting your blood relatives, your brothers, sisters, parents, that they too are at risk of prediabetes or diabetes, your children. So you can start working with them much earlier. You can start teaching your kids about healthy lifestyle. If they smoke, you can help them stop smoking. If they are eating unhealthy food, you can work with them that they start checking their cholesterol and blood pressure and sugar much earlier, much more frequently, and take steps that high values of cholesterol, blood pressure, etc. can be prevented. Take steps that other cardiac risk factors like smoking, etc. can be stopped immediately. So pre-diabetes gives an opportunity to help the loved ones know about the possibility of suffering from something that is preventable, that can be prevented.
Pre-diabetes. The goals of learning are to understand what is pre-diabetes, who gets pre-diabetes, why is the diagnosis of pre-diabetes so important. Then the question I always get from people who have pre-diabetes, they always ask, should I take any medicines if I have pre-diabetes? Last but not the least, we will learn that can pre-diabetes be cured? Now let's see what is pre-diabetes. If a blood sugar or blood glucose reading is between 100 and 125 milligram percent, it is called pre-diabetes.